Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me with once again the Essex Biker Group. We are currently at a BP in South Woodham Ferrers, and we're riding to the Cabin Dairy.
Which is in Burnham.
It is indeed in Burnham. Correct. So I'm with Alex on his new MT-07.
Good evening, paedophiles.
And then somewhere over there is Ryan.
Already censored.
It's just going to come up to my name and it's just going to be beep.
And then with that, we'll roll the intro and then we'll get a move on.
Loops. That was it, you loops. Yeah.
I sent it into a car.
Yeah, I don't want to say it, but yeah.
I sent it into a car so hard.
Because you can't wheelie.
Oh, Tia!
The unexpected Tia cameo.
Yo!
The Tia cameo's crazy.
Unbelievable. That's crazy work right there.
I didn't think it would take long for the group to get split up.
No.
All I'm going to say is, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what?
Oh, I just turned my music on. I was like, fuck.
I don't have music on. To be honest, there's too much going on the chat for me to have music on.
With the chat and all the people that we're with, I'm like, nah.
Yeah, no music.
I can't fathom music right now.
Or is overstimulated.
Yeah, I actually am.
Stimulation overload.
Well, we're listening to Little Baby, I guess.
Although, Tommy, I will say you have a very nice ass.
It does, to be fair.
I've got an arse that women are jealous of, that's all I'm going to say.
Lord,
Oh, yes. Me and you, bro. Although I lost most of my arse when I lost my weight, which I was quite sad about.
Womp.
Speaking of arses, have you seen with the sticker on the back of the smart car?
Yeah. Can't slip. Do I challenge it? I do challenge it.
Go challenge the small car for a race.
No, I meant like the fucking overtake with the car coming out there.
Yeah, it needs to say, doesn't it?
Based on what?
Well, I don't want Little Baby. Can I get something on else?
I don't want a baby.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Got a tune on.
I don't know if I can put music on, or is this going to mute my mic if I try and press and hold the button?
You have to hold the side button. You have to hold the wheel.
Yeah, but is it going to mute mic?
No, Mike, you have to hold the intercom button.
It's
It's edible! What a go!
Yeah, right, to me, your mic, you have to hold the intercom button.
Oh, right. I don't fucking know.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah, I've learned that the hard way trying to choose.
That's the new title for this video, Bikers Get Excited by Edible McLaren. What? That is...
What the fuck?
That is a big fat no, I'm sorry.
That's definitely, I have a tiny cock, so I had to make my cock to distract everyone.
That was a woman driving it. That is the Essex Tart spec.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if these roadworks are still going to be here.
Oh, police, heads up.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Good spot.
They're probably going to come this way now, because they've just seen about fucking 50 bikers.
I can't like, what is the speed limit?
60. The national...
There's a dead rabbit in that field.
Why is that? Why are you paying attention to that?
Because I wanted to see what it was.
Oh, the temporary lights are gone. Oh, we're here. Oh, fair enough. Fucking liar.
Result?
Because I got stuck on them. Oh no, unless they moved them further round.
One way to find out.
Well, to be fair, if the 40 sign weren't there, then they probably got rid of them.
Yeah, I think they have. Oh, bruv, this is like my favourite bits to wheelie on, man.
I think I just saw someone wheelie up front on the decay.
Yeah, but I'm not going to do it because I don't want to get my own back.
Yeah.
I'll save it for the ride home.
On the way back, yeah.
Yeah, we'll save it for the way back. Save the shenanigans for the way back.
It'll be like when we all rode out to Bradwell and
obviously
sensible, and on the ride back we just absolutely went crazy for it.
Yeah. Yeah, that will be the cinch.
This is like Grandad settings extreme.
It's quite nice.
It's nice. No. I'm not saying it's not nice. I'm not saying it's not.
See the scenery. Because we
Yeah.
goes by in a fucking blur.
Usually I'm going so quick at this point I can't see the scenery.
See, you're being forced to observe and enjoy the scenery.
Exactly. It's
I
really
mean,
odd though.
Tommy, let's be real, I'm just staring at your ass, so... The video is going to be so bad.
Please
I feel bad for M holding out to watch
me, but I bet you aren't.
I wish I had my GoPro on me right now.
Oh, I wish I had a camera on as well.
I'm trying to even forget the camera.
There we go, straight in the weight bank.
Wait, Thomas.
Kiddo.
Oh, yeah.
Thomas.
Yes.
Sorry.
Working!
Sorry, is there a mouse on the intercom?
What?
Oh, no, it's just Tia, bro.
It's here.
Is there a mouse on the intercom? There's the ad break. You want to break from the ads?
You want to break from the ads?
You want to break from the ads?
Fuck me. I mean, I can literally reach over and probably grab Tommy's back box rack in a sec, right? I just want to do a wheelie!
I want to do another guidance!
I'm not going to do it.
Oh, we're speeding up and then
See?
we're slowing back down to 20 again.
Everyone's like, oh, moving out to the right hand side of the lane. Bro, I'm not going quick enough to do that.
I'm literally
Oh no, but it was worth a try, okay?
They need to resurface this again.
Yeah.
I know. I mean, yeah, it's a bit lethal when you're fucking sending it around here.
I went over that in the TT and it was absolutely horrible.
Yeah, we fucking know.
Yeah, but Tia, your opinion's irrelevant anyway, so shut up.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, Lord.
What for?
I just want to wheelie. That's all I want to do.
We know.
I don't know why. I just have this really strong urge to do
On the
it.
way back, he's going straight up on the back.
The more and more I get...
Oh, yeah. 100%.
It's the autistic itch.
Hello.
Oh, I don't even know if I got an autistic itch, but
You fool.
Oh, well.
I thought that van was going to go then, bro.
Yeah, true.
I was about to go, oh, hello, Mr. Van, round 2. Headbutt another one.
Round 3, you
We
mean?
need to be at a place where...
Oh, yeah, I've only hit 2 vans, Em.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, hit 2.
And they've hit you how many times?
Should we go next to Fish and Chip Jerk?
I was kind of thinking either next to it or behind it. This Mercedes driver is just... Yeah, you can fucking wait a minute, old boy.
Fucking idiot.
I'm just gonna move over a bit because he wants to be a cunt. Yeah, no. I'm just gonna be smart here, right? You're not gonna get stuck. I'm just gonna be smart.
I'm coming with.
I'm fine.
But realistically, yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah, I came with. I wasn't going to, but then I thought, fuck it.
I would recommend if you park next to me, put it in first gear. Otherwise, your bike will roll back.
First anyway.
Your bike will roll off from you.
Might just go.
Actually, I need to start it back up so I can go up here first.
I always go put it in gear.
Oh, I just clocked. The guy that was behind us is the guy with the Turbo Bandit from fucking Alpha.
Oh, please don't fall.
Sweet.
Right, so we are here. Also, we are joined by the lovely Em.
Shalom.
And we're just going to have a look at what's here, because I'm sure you want to see. Starting off, we have a Ducati Panigale V4R. Next to that, we have a brand new CBR 650R. Obviously, there we've got my bike, the Street Triple 675.
The second worst bike here.
What's the worst bike here? We'll get to that later.
We'll get to that later, actually, yeah.
BSA Gold Star 650. And then we've got Z650, Ninja 400, SV 650S. Next to that, we've got a Honda VTR. I don't know what's this here, these?
Huh?
The VTR.
I've got no idea. It's a T-Rage, I can tell you that much.
Alex, you work for Honda. How much CC is it? 1,000. We've got a QJ Motor SRK 800. Never seen one of those before. Daytona 675. Basically the more powerful sports bike of my bike. If you know, you know. Coming around. Z1000SX. A BMW, what is that? It's an R1200 RT. It's a big old thing, isn't it? Next to that, we've got another Street Triple. That's an RX, 675 RX. I know that because the pillion seat's separate, whereas mine's one big piece. We'll come around the front here. Well, so this is where we are at, the cabin dairy. I'm pretty sure we've all seen this before in my videos. So we've got a... Oh, hang on, let me just make the brightness right. We have a dog. Right, the camera decided to shut off, but as I was saying, yep, so GSX 600. We have a very nicely liveried Ducati Supersport 950S. Then we have a Ninja ZX-10R. And next to that, we've got a Ducati Multistrada V2. We've also had, I don't know which Ninja that is, I didn't know, but there's a new Ninja. And I believe that's a 1390 Super Duke, but I could be wrong. Very nice. And then going over here, this is where the other guys are parked that I'm running with. Oh, the dog's interested. That's Riley's MT-07. M's Phaser 600. Very nice. I know that's a Zontis, but I don't know which one it is. Let me just move over. Nice Zontis. Honda Hornet 750. This is Alex's new MT-07. He used to have a Gen 2, now he's got a Gen 3. Another Gixxer 600. And then we've got a Triumph Tiger. I can't see anywhere to me what CC that is. And then back here, oh bloody hell, nearly just fell down, that was good. We've got a Z. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's definitely a Z. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. Yeah, next it'll probably be either some bikes leaving or us leaving. Right, food has arrived. I am. Got eyes bigger than my stomach.
Do you like my food? I've got
yeah, that's insane.
Sugar. Well, I've got some low-calorie sweetener.
Yeah.
Come on, you know the vibe.
Come on.
What we can afford.
What have you actually ordered?
A barbecue burger and cheesy chips, actually, funnily enough.
Nice. We both got burgers. Alex, how was your toasty?
Oh, it's actually well good. I had salad.
He's just eating salad like a fucking turtle.
That was your toasty. It's a salad.
Whoa, look at that. Loaded. What's actually, is that onion on it?
I shoot a bit of bacon.
Crispy
How do you
onions and
feel?
bacon.
That's crispy onion.
I mean, same. How was how's the barbecue burger?
I like the barbecue burger. It's really good.
How was the burger?
Ooh.
Bro got hit so early, you finished already?
Jack's mum was hungry.
Have some cheesy chips or something.
I know I'm getting.
Are we all ready?
Otherwise, I'll be home before you leave Burnham. That's why.
No, I meant, why are you hard at the back?
Oh, I'm always hard at the back. That's just the way it has to be.
I'm just up Tommy's rear wheel.
Right.
You like that though?
Got him.
We're all leaving. That was pretty good. What do you guys think?
Yeah, decent. You got no lights on.
Ah.
It's decent and M has no lights on. Right,
There
well,
we
thank you
go.
for watching, everyone. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta!
Bye.